Okay, so today's topic is drain conductance and the transconductance. Okay, so we need to figure out the value of GDS is the drain conductance and GM is the transconductance, and also we will derive the value of RD is the drain resistance. Okay, so from this equation, as I already explained you, this equation is the equation 1. This equation 1 is the final current equation of the MOSFET, right? So here in this equation, this one is the output current, and here we have VOV. VOV means VGS minus VT, right? This is the input voltage, and here you can see I think you remember the transistor current equation IC is equal to beta into IB. So at that time we say transistor is a current control current source. Why? The output is the IC is the current. So and input is the IB is the input current, right? So output current is depend on the input current. That's why we call it current control is the input current is controlling the output current. So current control current source, right? Here in this equation you can see the output current is the ID, right? So we can say is the current source. And input voltage of the drain to source is the VDS and VGS, right? So here you can say is the voltage. So we can say MOSFET is the voltage control current source. So MOSFET is a voltage controlled current source, as the output current is controlled by the input voltage. Okay, so I think you can easily correlate with the transistor, as transistor is the current control current source, so MOSFET is the voltage control current source, right? And also I have some video on the op-amp. If you saw that video, you can see op-amp is a voltage control voltage source. Okay, so now let's derive the value of the GDS or the drain conductance. So drain conductance. So drain conductance, how to derive the drain conductance is a GDS is equal to IDS divided by VDS, right? As we know, the resistance R is equal to V by I. That means the conductance is equal to what will be I by V. So drain conductance equal will be GDS is equal to IDS by VDS. Okay. So in the output characteristics, we have two region, right? This is the linear region and this is the saturation region, right? So we need to calculate the IDS by VDS. We are calculating the drain conductance. This will be in the linear region. This will be in the linear region. That means this part. Okay. So this side is the VDS. This side is the ID, right? So we need to calculate the drain conductance. Why? When the VGS is constant. Okay. That means we need to calculate this slope. And in the linear region, another thing we need to consider is the VDS is small, right? In my first video of current equation, I already explained you about the when the VDS is small, how we need to calculate the current, right? So now let's derive the value of GDS. Okay. So as the VDS is small, we can neglect this part. We can neglect this part. Okay. So then what is the value of ID? ID is equal to mu n COX W by L VOV multiplied by VDS. Okay. That means ID divided by VDS is equal to mu n COX W by L multiplied by VOV. Okay, so we can write down this will be what? This will be GDS. Okay, so this is the equation of the GDS of the drain conductance is equal to ID by VDS is equal to mu N multiplied by capacitance COX, the oxide capacitance, multiplied by W is the what? W is the width of the channel and it is the length of the channel multiplied by VOV is the overdrive voltage, where VOV is equal to VGS minus VT. Okay, so this is the value of the drain conductance. Okay, if this is the value of drain conductance, then what will be the value of RD? I write down here. RD is equal to drain resistance, right? Drain resistance means 1 by drain conductance. So from here we can write down it will be just 1 divided by mu N COX multiplied by W by L multiplied by VOV. Okay, so this will be the value of the drain resistance. So from here I will explain you another thing. So we also call MOSFET is a voltage controlled resistor. So how we will use MOSFET as a voltage control resistance? From here, if you see this equation RD, here this RD is a what? Is a drain resistance, right? And this drain resistance is controlled by VOV. VOV means VGS minus VT. This is the constant. So VGS. So we can say that the output resistance RD is controlled by the input voltage VGS. So we can use a MOSFET as a voltage controlled resistance. Okay. So this is the concept of GDS RD and the voltage control resistance as well also the voltage control current source. Okay. So next we will derive. So this is the derivation of the GDS and RD. So next we will derive the GM, is the transconductance. Okay. Okay. So what we need to discuss, we need to derive transconductance, right? Transconductance means the same is the GM is equal to I divided by V, conductance, right? But we need to write down which by which. So now this will be the input, this will be the output, right? So transconductance means the transfer of conductance. Okay, that means output by input is the trans, right? And here we need to write down conductance. Conductance will be then output current divided by input voltage, as we need to calculate transconductance. Okay, so then it will be IDS divided by VGS. Okay, so we can calculate this one in the two way. First one is the practical method. When you do the practical in the lab, then how we need to calculate this one? Sorry. So this is the output characteristics of the MOSFET, where this is VDS and this is ID, and we need to calculate this one in the saturation region. Okay, so here it will be VGS1, this will be VGS2. Okay, so this will be the corresponding IDS1 and this will be the corresponding IDS2. Okay, so we need to calculate this one. GM will be delta IDS divided by delta VGS. So you can write down IDS1 minus IDS2 divided by VGS1 minus VGS2. Okay, so this is the one way to calculate it. Okay, another way is the GM is equal to del partial differentiation of IDS divided by del VGS. Okay, so if we do the partial differentiation with respect to the VGS of this equation, this current equation, then we will easily calculate the conductance, transconductance GM. So let's do it. Okay, so here ID is equal to mu N COX W by L. VOV is the VGS minus VT minus VDS divided by 2 multiplied by VDS. Mu N COX W by L VGS multiplied by VDS VT multiplied by VDS minus VDS square by 2. Okay, so if I do the partial differentiation with respect to VGS, what will be the value? Mu N COX W by L multiplied by VDS. So this will be the equation of GM. This will be the equation of GM. And you can see here, then the transfer conductance is depend upon what? Depend upon VDS. Is not depend upon the input voltage. Okay. So this depend upon the output. This is depend upon the VDS. Is the other input voltage, drain to source voltage. Okay, so that's all from this video. So I think I already covered all of the things like the MOSFET current equation in the linear region, in the saturation region. Okay, and also we calculate the drain resistance, drain conductance, and the transfer conductance. And in my first video, I already explained you about the working principle of the MOSFET, how a channel is created, and this kind of thing. So I already covered all of the topic from the MOSFET. If you need any video from MOSFET or any other topic of electronics, please write down in the comment section. I will read that one. I will make some video from that topic. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.